Did you know the man who built the greatest empire in Chinese history was killed by his own cure for death? Qin Shi Huang unified China in 221 BC. He built the Great Wall. He commanded an army of over 8,000 terracotta soldiers to guard his tomb. By any measure, he was untouchable, but he was terrified of dying. So his court alchemists gave him elixirs they promised would make him immortal. He drank them daily. The secret ingredient was mercury. Mercury is one of the most toxic substances on Earth. Over time, it destroyed his mind. He became paranoid, erratic, and impossible to reason with. His decisions grew stranger. His health collapsed fast. He died at 49, younger than most of the emperors who followed him. Here is the part that stays with you. His tomb is so saturated with mercury that modern archaeologists use radiation sensors to track where his burial chamber actually sits underground. The poison he drank to live forever became the monument that outlasted everything else.